Hey guys, hope you're doing well, and today I have this massive printer to unbox. Why am I doing this? Because I was looking for a printer which I needed for my work, and because as lots of people are working from home, I was looking for a printer which could do all the work, and it should be cost effective as well. So after doing my research, I found out that this Canon printer, the iSensys series, is one of the best options. So this printer is the MF641Cw. So Canon makes this iSensys series in the 700 range and in the 600 range. So in the 600 model range, you have three printers, and one is for fax, and one is the ADF, which is the automatic document feeder, and one is the one with the flatbed scanner. So this one has the flatbed scanner. Let's run through the packaging and let's check out what's around the box, and then we'll open the box and see what comes in the box and how the printer looks like. So on the front, guys, you can see it's written Canon. It's got this logo. It says wireless printing, Mopria, and quick first print application library, works with Apple AirPrint. As you know, I told you this is the iSensys 641Cw series. That's how the printer looks like. And here we go, guys. These are the different features. So 18 pages per minute, black, 18 pages per minute, color. Then you have secure print, Ethernet printing, wireless printing, color touch panel. You can copy, then you can do a network scan to USB, and also send. And it does say that the cartridge which needs to be installed is the 054. On the top, it just tells you the way you need to open it, because this device is quite heavy. On your other side, you have some serial numbers and some information over here. On this side, if you look, it does give you the same sort of information. So this box is roughly 15 kilograms, 15 to 20 kilograms. It's a very heavy printer. So I would advise that at least, if you want to handle it, you should need two people to handle it. But let's go ahead and unbox it then. So guys, first of all, I opened up the lid and it is very heavy. Just be careful when you cut it and open it. This whole thing slides down. So let's see what comes in the box. So the first thing is that you get all these catalogs. It comes with a CD to install the drivers, and I think so this is a quick start guide as well. So these are the two manuals. I highly recommend to read the manuals before you set it up, because it's got a lot of information, as you can see. So next is the power cable, and it's a standard power cable. It comes with another UK plug. So guys, this is the printer. I've just put it up over here. It's really heavy, so I'm just going to show you. Here we go, guys. So this is the printer. Now this screen is massive. This is touch screen. All of this is touch, so that can be moved up and down like it swivels. MF641Cw, so your paper can be stacked over here. The print comes out from here, and then you have the flatbed scanner on the top. You have a USB port for printing. On the side, it's got this vent, and on this side it's got a vent. So on the rear you don't have much, but you have this hatch to open up if your paper gets stuck. So under this foam there are a few ports. There'll be your power port and so on. So under the foam you can see that there is one power port, and on the other side you have the handset, the extension, and the line in for the telephone, and you have the Ethernet port as well, which is useful if you want to connect it to your LAN. And apart from that, it's got AirPrint, and that is it. That is the basic look of the printer. So guys, just wanted to show you that I've set up the printer, and I'm just going to run you through the menu to show you what's in the menu. So the first thing is that it's got a touch screen. I've connected it to the Wi-Fi, and I've updated the firmware as well. And the first thing is that what you can do is you can run through the different features and you can customize yourself. And you know, there's so many different features that I can't go through each one of them. The basic thing is copy, and then you have that's the home button, and then you have the menu. You got all these preferences, adjustment, maintenance, and so on. From here you have your address book, you can scan, memory, media, print, and so on. So you got hosts of features, and I've noticed that the printing speed is excellent. It's not very fast, but I think that it's very silent and it's very quick. I'll just show you the print quality, and that will conclude my video. So we can go into the output report, and in the output report we can go into print list, and we can just do a eco report, and you can check. You feel the sound, and it will be printed in seconds. That is it, it's printed, right? So just going to keep the paper over here, and you can see that it's the print quality is excellent. It's very clear, and that is the thing about a laser printer, that the quality of the print will be absolutely amazing, and the print itself will be really fast. If you're looking to work from home and you need something which is more fast, not like the normal inkjet printers, this is a laser printer, and this is a color laser printer, means it can print all the colors. And of course it's got toner inside. Toners are quite expensive, they're like £90 for each color, but it really does a very good job. And if you're looking for a device which can print your documents faster than usual, then just go for this iSensys series printers. There are quite a number of series in the iSensys range, but if your business is small, then you could go for the 700 series or the 600 series. Alright guys, if you have any questions regarding this iSensys printer, let me know in the comment section and I'll reply back to you. Guys, thanks for watching my video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye for now.